In this video, I'm going to teach you how to factory reset Oculus Quest 2 without losing data. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the process of factory resetting your Oculus Quest 2 and what you have to keep in mind regarding keeping or backing up your data. When you go to perform a factory reset by pressing the power button and the volume down button, you access this menu and you choose factory reset. You will know that factory reset erases all of your data and cannot be reversed. So this is true, and you will not be able to gather your data back after you perform a factory reset. So to keep it simple, if you want to keep your data and you don't want to lose it, you must back it up into a PC or another storage device. So all that you have to do is plug a USB cable into the headset and plug it into a PC. Once it is plugged into a PC, you will be able to find it and access its internal storage, where you can now back up everything that you want to keep. So screenshots, videos, saves for your games, and so on. If you have something that is stored in the cloud, then you don't have to need to do this, because the cloud will simply be accessed after you perform the factory reset. But any local files you want to keep, you must back them up before performing the factory reset. So keep that in mind. There is no way to perform a factory reset without losing your data. So this is why it's very important to back it up into a PC. After you back up, then you can perform the factory reset. And after it is concluded, then you just plug it again into the PC and you transfer the files from the PC into the Oculus Quest headset. Now, if you still need to perform the factory reset, as I've said before, press and hold the power button and the volume down button while the headset is powered off. It will boot into USB update mode, where you can find factory reset and perform it from here. You can also use the mobile app. Go into the menu, access devices, Meta Quest 2, scroll down until you see headset settings, advanced settings, and now you will find factory reset here as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to factory reset Oculus Quest 2 without losing data. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.